1965 Ford Mustang convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. C code 289 car, C4 automatic transmission. The 289 has been rebuilt, mild cam, newer exhaust, Edelbrock 4-barrel on it. Let's take a look at the chrome on the front bumper. Of course, the iconic Mustang grille, running horse, red paint, black interior. Check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the Magnum 500 style wheels, Firestone radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see the paint has a nice shine to it. It's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Yes, you may find an imperfection or a touch up here or there, but overall, paint shows well. Did notice one scuff on the deck lid, and I'll point that as we go around there. Power convertible top, white in color. We will put that up. Check out the condition of that also. Seat belts intact on this one. Center armrest and cup holder has been added, as well as a retro sound style radio and some aftermarket gauges underneath the dash. And we will also start it up, let you hear it run, take a little closer look at that interior. Stick around to the very end of the video. Jason will take it for a drive too. Chrome in the rear bumper also looking good. You can see dual exhaust exiting in the rear. There's that one scuff that I did notice. Again, nothing major, but do want to point it out. Over 100 pictures of this car online, UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like Mustangs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here. At Unique Classic Cars, videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. That can be done online or right off our showroom floor. A couple notes from the technician on this one. Brakes are 85% up front, 85% in the rear. Does have new rear wheel cylinders. Slight seep from the rear axle. I want to make sure I just noted. Nothing out of the ordinary for a car that's driven. And this one, get in it, turn the key, and go have some fun. Let's take a little closer look at this interior before we fire it up. See, door panels, nice shape. Black vinyl seats. I have not noticed any rips, tears, holes in either the rear seat or the front seat. All right, let's fire this up. This is a nice sound to it. Listen to that. Sounds healthy. Gauges. So we do have oil pressure, amp meter, battery gauge, say temp gauge. Radio is working. Little fill for you, and top of the dash looks good. Oh, listen to this. Told you that baby had a little cam to it, and when they rebuilt it, it was bored out slightly, so it's healthy. All right, let me pause this a second. Let's get this hood open so we can check out that engine bay, check out the convertible top, and Jason's going to take it for a drive. Underside of the hood, nice and clean. There it is, 289. There is a battery disconnect over here for when it's in storage or in between drives. Some chrome dress up on there with the air cleaner cover, valve covers. Looks like an Edelbrock Performer intake manifold. You can see that Edelbrock 4-barrel on there. All right, let's get this top up. Check out the condition of that, and we'll have Jason take it for a drive in a bit. and the convertible top up. So white vinyl top. Nice fit above the windshield. Hold the side glass up so you can see how that fits. I have not noticed any rips, tears, holes, you know, just your typical fuel wrinkles from it being folded down. Rear window, nice and clear. And passenger side, kind of the same thing. No rips, tears, holes, just a few wrinkles from being folded down. And side glass up. Back above the windshield, nice fit. You need it to keep you dry or out of the sun. It's going to serve that purpose just fine. 1965 Ford Mustang convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I'll show you the top going back down, and don't forget, Jason's going to take it for a drive.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1965 Ford Mustang. This is a convertible and we have the top down today. Red paint, black interior. We have speakers in the kick panels. A retro sound style radio in the dash. Very clear sound coming out of that radio. Under the dash, and oil pressure gauge reading 50 psi. Now the battery gauge is topped out at 18. I'm not sure if that one's working. Temperature gauge 190 degrees, that looks good. We're doing 40 miles an hour on the speedometer. Fuel gauge from the factory is showing a little less than 3/4 of a tank. Now the factory temperature gauge is showing cold, that one likely does not read. Nice condition vinyl bucket seats. Dash looking good. Getting a little shimmy from one of the tires, I believe it's probably a front tire. Probably a flat spot from sitting. That can happen. It'll drive a little longer, usually work themselves out. Brakes are very responsive. You can hear that rumble. This car has a nice exhaust sound. Corners as it should for a 65 Mustang. Mention it, an automatic shifter right here down on the floor, making it easy to drive. The wipers work on this car, the blower motor also works. Take a look at all the pictures of this, the red 65 Mustang at uniqueclassiccars.com.